All right, welcome back to another episode of Terrible at Fishing. So, I just got my KastPro 13X Finesse 8-pound line in. Let me tell you something about this. It says 13 strands. 13 strands within this line. I've been using the 15-pound. And day before yesterday, I caught 2 beautiful trout on it. And as I saw a trout jump, I cast it over there and I felt it hit right away and was able to hook it. So the braided line that this is has no stretch and has incredible sensitivity. I was able to cast with my bait caster a spinning jig great distances. This actually will cast better than any other braided line that you have. It's extremely smooth, and when you spool it properly, which the first time I didn't, it reacts incredibly. You will not regret getting this. In Klamath Falls, where I live, we have very large trout. So typically, a small trout is 3 pounds. And an average trout out of Klamath Lake is 10 pounds. If you want to rely on a really good braided line that will cast far, color fast, and you can feel everything that happens on that line. It's abrasion resistant. It's a very supple line, and it's small. I mean, you think 13 strands. My 15-pound in inches is 007. Okay, that's how thick it is in inches. 007, 0.007. The 8-pound is 006. So it's a slightly earlier James Bond. In millimeters, it is 0.14 millimeters. That's amazing. This is smaller than my fluoro, my mono, all those other lines that I have. This is smaller. I could fit more. I could cast farther. I could feel everything by this line. KastPro 13X Finesse. You won't regret it. Take care, everybody, and I will see you out on the water.